Today I'm answering a simple question from my client. When she learned that I'm certified aromatherapist and I show her my collection, she said, "Oh, you must be so lucky. You do aromatherapy and you diffuse essential oils every day in your house." And I said, "No, I don't do that." "Why not?" "Because I use essential oils only as needed. You don't need to diffuse essential oils the whole day long, 24/7. It's probably not a very good idea. Some essential oils are not even healthy to diffuse, hot essential oils. Other essential oils, just there is no reason to diffuse them all the time, unless you want to create a special smell for your house, and you can diffuse essential oil or blend for an hour, for two, that's it. During the pandemics, like fall problems with cold, flus, or COVID, as we have right now, you might want to diffuse essential oils for a few hours after you return back home. So if you pick up some infection, you deal with it before it starts getting worse. No, I don't diffuse essential oils in my house 24/7. It just doesn't make any sense.